Hello, this is Pau, and welcome to Pau's Secrets, and welcome to this meditation for the full moon. Maybe you're either sitting outside facing the moon, or you are inside your house, but you know that outside the full moon is shining. So take a comfortable sitting position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale everything out through the mouth this time. Try to relax your face expression by relaxing the area in between your eyebrows and by bringing the attention to the tip of your nose and paying close attention to every inhale and every exhale from now on. In your mind, using your imagination, picture the image of the full moon. Connect with the light, with that bright light that the full moon is projecting. Now when you inhale and feel your chest and your heart expanding, see that light also around you. That bright light shining out of your body. And that bright light also bathing yourself from the moon. Breathing in and breathing out, connecting with that light, receiving the benefits from the light of the moon. In a time of the month that is good to sit in meditation and observe and receive the benefits from all the things you've done before, the new projects that you started, the dreams that you had, all your work you've done. Now you sit and you contemplate the results. Take a deep breath in, exhale everything out, and feel all the things falling into place. Everything is okay. Everything it is where it's supposed to be. You are perfect, you are enough, you are loved, you're beautiful the way you are. And you are doing amazing things. Take another deep breath in and shine bright like the moon. Exhale, release, let go. And watch things fall into place. You are loved, you are enough. You are calm, and you are perfect the way you are. Now bring both hands to your heart and promise to yourself today that you are going to continue shining bright like the full moon today and every day. Namaste.